For this application, you will need the dual forms you've selected for your nails, your chosen colours, your dual brush and spatula, a bottle of slip solution, and a sheet of kitchen roll for dabbing excess off your brush. We have selected to do this using peach and white from the starter kit. Have a look at the dual form you are going to use. Look at the lines on the forms and place them over your finger. Look at where you want your smile line to start and where you want your nail length to finish. To make it easier for us to see where we are putting the product, we decided to put 2 dots on the top of the dual form. You've already filed, prepped and base coated your nails, so next you are going to squeeze a small amount of white polygel from the tube and use your spatula to remove the product. Next, pick up your dual form so that the side that will fit onto your nail is pointing upwards. Hold the form at the end, which will be the free edge of your nail, and place the product between the 2 dots that you have made. Dip your brush into the slip solution, lightly dab the brush on a piece of kitchen towel to remove the excess. Gently pat and press the product into shape using the guidelines on the form. Once you've patted the product into shape, you can create a sharp smile line by dipping your clean brush into slip solution and wiping it around the bottom of the smile line, following the curved line on your form. You will need to make sure there is no residual white on the form at the base where you are going to put your peach polygel. Next, squeeze a pea-sized amount of peach polygel out of the tube and use your spatula to remove it. Place the product at the base of your form at the end which is closest to your cuticle. Pat the peach product up towards the white gel gently. You want the base near the cuticle to be nice and thin, full coverage in the middle and thinner up to the side walls. As you get close to the white, be very gentle. You do not want to disturb the smile line by being too heavy-handed. Once the 2 colour gels are touching, gently pat over both colours so that you've not got any gaps. To apply the dual form to your nail, hold the form at a 45-degree angle. You want to leave a small gap at the cuticle area and press down the dual form slowly and carefully. Press quite firmly at the cuticle end. Go slowly and make sure the polygel is touching all of your natural nail. Next, check the side walls. If any product has come out of the sides onto your skin, carefully remove it with a wooden nail tool or your brush. Wipe any excess you've removed onto your paper towel. Then use your brush to remove any excess from around the cuticle area. Flip your nail over and make sure the underside of the nail is nice and smooth. Turn your nail back and make sure everything is still in place. At this point, if anything has moved or gel has sneaked out of the sides, simply clean the edges again. One last check you are completely happy with your nail, then cure under the lamp for 90 seconds. Once your nail has set, remove the gel form by squeezing and twisting from left to right. Finally, we need to file and top coat. So taking your file at a 45-degree angle, gently file around the cuticle area to smooth down any excess product. Then begin to move up and around to the side walls. As you file around the side walls, hold the sides of your finger to keep the skin away slightly. To create your square nail, you want to hold the file quite firmly in a straight line and pull it towards you in the direction your nail grows. Then put the file back in the same place and do it again and again in a stroking motion. For the square tip, you need to make sure your finger is completely straight in front of you. Hold the file straight and firmly stroke from left to right or right to left, whichever you prefer, just keep going in the same direction. You may want to gently take the corners off when you've finished so you don't scratch yourself with your nails. Finally, file the apex area to make it nice and smooth and take down any unwanted thickness. Polygel does not need harsh filing. There is no need for lots of pressure or speed. Again, hold your skin on either side of your side walls to prevent your nail file from scratching or cutting your skin. Once you've finished shaping your nail, you can give the whole nail a quick buff over with a buffer block. This gets rid of any file marks, scratches or rough edges. Rinse your hands under water and remove the dust. Now you are ready for your top coat. Place the brush 2 mm away from your cuticle. Push the product down towards the cuticle area. Pull the brush up one side wall, then the other side wall, and once more in the middle. Make sure your whole nail has an even coverage and gently wipe the brush to cap your free edge. Cure for 60 seconds.